Welcome to ClearTask. Here's how to convert your Google Play balance into a redeem code. Let's go. Open the Google Play Store and tap your profile picture in the top right. Go to Payments and Subscriptions, then tap Payment Methods. You'll see your Play balance there. Now, Google doesn't let you export your balance as a code directly. The move is to use your balance to buy a Google Play gift card inside the store. Go back to the home screen and search for Google Play gift card. Pick the amount you want, go to checkout, and select your Google Play balance as the payment method. Complete the purchase and you'll get a redeem code sent to your email. Quick warning: avoid any third-party apps or sites claiming to do this for you. Most of them are scams. Stick to the Play Store only. That's it. If this helped, like and subscribe. More tutorials coming.